Hi, and welcome to Circles of Safety. I'm Anuja Amin, a mother to two daughters, an educator, and a survivor of child sexual abuse. Today, I want to share with you some of the frequent questions that I've heard from parents and teachers and caregivers in my workshops. One that tops the list is, we love that you're talking to us about this. Thank you so much for bringing it out from the darkness to the light and, helping us reflect on our own attitudes. But can you also just please talk to our children, tell them, equip them with information so that they can stop this from happening and come and report to us? My simple answer here is no. I cannot do that for the simple reason that it is the parents and the safe adults in the child's life, it is their responsibility to safeguard their children. So yes, you must equip your children with important information, with the skills, just basic knowledge that can help them distinguish, differentiate between safe and unsafe touch so that they know what feels comfortable, what doesn't feel comfortable. So helping them be in touch with their feelings, listening to them, believing them. These are all the things that are part and parcel of having this conversation to build the bond, to build the communication. And once you show the child that you're ready to listen to them, you're ready to have an open mind, they will come and talk to you. Please remember, disclosure is not a one-time event. It's not that I've fallen down, I've scraped my knee and I'm running to mama saying, hey, please put a band-aid for me. No, it's not that simple. So don't make it so trivial. It's a process. There is trauma the child has experienced and they're burdened with this, and it is not easy for them to walk up to somebody and talk about it. It takes years for a parent to establish that they can trust, their child can trust them, that they are willing to listen, right? So this is a process, and I urge the safe adults in the child's life to do this and start early. Right? So this is why I've also called this initiative Circles of Safety, because I want the circles around the child to be equipped and ready to deal with this head on, educate themselves with the facts, learn about child sexual abuse, learn how to deal with this sensitively and responsibly. And once you have done that, then you're in a good position to take this forward with your child.